Hello, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about squids. My name is Ashley Hernandez. Squids are marine animals that are part of the protostome group. They're known for being very fast and having cool defenses and mechanisms, and they're very intelligent for being invertebrates. So, what is a squid? A squid is a soft body animal that lives in the ocean. They belong to the phylum Mollusca and class Cephalopoda. I'm so sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it, but some of the important parts of the squid include the mantle, which is the main part of their body, and their fins, which helps them move. They also have 8 arms and 2 longer tentacles that are used to grab food, and their suction cups help them hold on to their prey. Inside their bodies, they have a shark beak to eat their food, 3 hearts that pump blood, gills to breathe underwater, and an ink sac that they use to escape predators. Their habitat, squids live in saltwater oceans and can be found all over the world. Some live near the surface while others live deep in the ocean. Some species or some squids even move up and down in the water depending on the time of day just to find food and sometimes to avoid predators. Um, when we talk about diet and hunting, squids are carnivores, which means that they eat other animals. So this consists of fish, shrimp, and crab. To catch their food, they use their long tentacles and their suction cups, and basically that's how they're able to grab their prey. So after catching the prey, they use a shark beak to break it apart, and squids can also move really fast using something called the propulsion. So this helps them catch their food faster and escape danger. When we talk about traits and predators, even though squids hunt other animals, they also get eaten by larger animals like sharks, whales, and seals, and humans. So, to protect themselves, squids can release ink to confuse the predator so they can escape. They also change colors using a special skin cell to help them blend into their surroundings, which is very interesting. So, they're cool traits that I found interesting are their large eyes and their 3 hearts, and that they have blue blood. Um, this helps them survive the cold ocean waters. So, why does this matter? Squids are important because they're part of the ocean food web. So, they help control like the population of smaller animals, and they're also very important for larger animals since they're their food. Um, So for humans, like because we eat them like calamari, scientists study them to learn about the nervous system and how the brain functions. So if squid population ever does change, um, like we can tell like that there's something wrong in like the ocean environment. So moving on to the tree of life, squids are a part of the domain Eukarya, kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopoda, and order Telthida. They're considered protostomes because their anus or like their mouth is formed before their anus. So this is a very main way on how scientists used to classify them. And that is about it. And these are my sources. Thank you very much.